Good morning, students. Welcome back to Sri GM Donda e-learning class. I am your English teacher Priyanka Srivastav, and today we are going to study poem number 2, Rainy Summer by the poet S.W. Longfellow. Students, this poem is very small poem, but it is a beautiful one, and this poem is very much connected to the present time. How do you know? Let me explain you. Students, we all are going through the season of summer. So luckily we all are enjoying the rainy season frequently. Right? Rainy days are different from any other day. As rain brings the sign of relief for everyone from the heat. Rainy days are also important for farmers as it is quite essential for the production of crops. So let's start the poem and see how the poet has described the rain.
How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. Students, here the meaning of fiery is very hot.
The first stanza, the poet is very happy and excited about the rain, and here the poet describes that the rain is very beautiful after all the dust and heat. Means the rain is washing off all the heat and dust from the broad and the narrow land of the street. Means when the rain falls down in the street, it cools down the burning street. Now move on to the next stanza of the poem.
How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Students, here the meaning of clatter is make a harsh noise. Roofs means the top ceiling of the house or terrace. The meaning of tramp of hoofs means the sound that horses' hoofs make. Gushes means flows out suddenly and with great force. Spout means drainage pipe.
In the second stanza, the poet describes that the drops of rains falling on the roofs of house, it makes the sound of continuation of clattering. Here, the poet compared the sounds of water clattering with the hooves of the horse. Overflow. Because when the rainwater overflow from the spout or from the pipe down, it makes the sound like the hoof of the horse. Here, the poet also says that the cloud is full of rainwater which falls down like the water droplets. So now, students, move on to the last stanza of the poem.
Across the window pane, it pours and pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. Here, the meaning of pours means come out or outflow. Meaning of gutter is drainage or groove.
In the last stanza, the poet describes about the rainfall. The poet says that how the rain looks when it falls in the side of the window. He also says that the road looks like a muddy tide and like a river down. In this poem, he has also described about the drainage system as gutter. He says that the gutter is used to store and collect the rainwater. The poet is feeling very happy with the rain, and with the open arms, it welcomes the rain. So students, it's all about the poem. So whenever now you will enjoy the rain, you must think about this poem and you just think about your own feelings, how you are feeling when the rain is coming after the hot day. Students, by this way I conclude the poem. I hope you understood the poem and enjoyed a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.